Bumper pool is a fun variation of pool, played on a table with bumpers instead of pockets. You can play one-on-one, or with two teams of two. At the beginning of the game, each player or team is assigned one of the two scoring holes at the end of the table in either the red or white balls. Whichever player or team has the scoring hole next to the white bumpers gets the red balls, and vice versa. Players arrange the 5 balls in their color, so there are 2 balls on the left of their scoring hole and 2 balls on the right. The spotted ball goes in front of their scoring hole. To start the game, each player shoots their spotted ball to the right of the table at the same time, trying to get it as close to their opponent's scoring hole as possible. Whoever gets closest gets to continue shooting. From that point forward, players take turns shooting. If a player gets a ball in their opponent's scoring hole, they get to take another shot. Once a player sinks their spotted ball, they can shoot any of their other balls on their turn. Players continue taking turns and trying to sink their balls into their opponent's scoring hole. Players can also play defensively by using their balls to knock their opponent's balls further away from their scoring hole. Whoever sinks all of their balls first wins.